Yeah, what's up guys, it's Mike here again. Gonna make another video on the Charger. I want to take a minute again for those of you who have subscribed. I greatly appreciate you. For those that haven't, come on, what are you waiting for? The race to 1,000 subscribers is on. At 1,000 subscribers I can start doing ads and hopefully start affording more mods for the car. As you know, wife and kids ain't got a lot of money, so anything I can get, like I said, if I can get to 1,000 subscribers, start getting ads in the video, and maybe can afford larger and better things, getting us to where we want to be. What's up guys? As you can tell, I'm here editing the video, and I realized, as you could probably tell in the title of the video, I messed up. So this video began just like normal, you know, fat guy in the garage sweating and talking about his car that nobody cares about. And so it started off like normal. Everything was fine, and we'll get back to it, and we will break in more as it happens, and maybe you can laugh at it as much as I can. So we'll get back to it, and yeah, here we go. A few weeks ago I did a video on taillight tint. I bought the stuff from Walmart. It was just you know, some cheap stuff. Like I said, I think the roll was like $12. Did it myself. I think it turned out pretty good for me, just, you know, never doing it before. I mean, there's a few little issues here and there, but like I said, it's almost been a month, and for $12 and me doing it myself, I'm really proud of it. It's been working pretty well. On the other hand, the only thing that has not, when I did the taillights, I did not put it on video, but I also did these side markers. But I might have to go to the other side, it's really dark. I did the side markers, and when I did them, the front ones turned out really good. I don't have any problems. There's no, you know, nothing's ripped, nothing's tore, there's no bubbles, it's not peeling nowhere. Everything here was good. Now, on the back, that was another story. When I did these, I got these going on here, and it's really hard to tell on camera, but right here there's a little bit of raised lettering, and every time that I have done this will make the third time that I've done this. Right here on these letters on that leading edge, wind keeps getting up underneath it and ripping it off, and it starts to peel. So this time I think I'm going to do it a more traditional way. Use a heat gun, and when I do it, I'm going to roll it over the corner. I'm going to try to get it in this lip, tuck it in, and then use that heat gun, and maybe it'll shrink wrap it around the corner. So that's the plan of the day. I'm going to get everything lined up, set up, and then we'll get going and see if we can get that wrapped. All right, we got everything we need here. As a reminder, before you start, you are going to want to clean this with you know, some soap and water, and then afterwards come back with a little bit of alcohol and just give it a good wipe down. Make sure it's clear of any kind of oils or grease or anything. Any of that kind of stuff's gonna mess with how well it adheres. So what you need, a little bit of window film, razor blade to cut it down to size, squeegee tape so that you can put that on there to peel the tint away from the backing. And then this is just a little soapy water solution that you can spray on there. That helps you get all the wrinkles and bubbles and all that kind of stuff out. And then, like I said, we'll use the heat gun. Like I said, we're gonna try and wrap it around the corner here, and then up in here, get that in there, tucked in, and hopefully that'll solve our issue with the wind getting underneath it. So as you can notice in the video, this day it was hot. It was about 94 degrees and about 90% humidity, and this fat guy was dying. All right, so once you get your window film cut down to size, what you want to do is you want to take a piece of tape and put it on the front and then the back of this window tint, because otherwise you are never going to get this apart. So you just peel it apart. Once you get it apart, give the reflector a little spray. Line up your window film. That ain't gonna work. Squeegee. That'll get you there. And you take your razor blade and ever so gently get in here and you find your seam and you just cut it out. Hopefully you should just be able to peel this right off. Trim it a little bit. Alright. We'll come back a little later and get that trimmed up precisely. For now, that'll work. So then you want to take your heat gun. You don't want to fold it around the corner. You want to heat it up and let it lay around it. Alright, and it was at this point that the GoPro decided to shut off while I was doing the install. Like I said, it was pretty warm that day, mid-90s, 90% humidity. We were in the garage, no breeze going on. It was, I mean, I was dying, as you can tell in the videos. So I guess this is my first YouTube fail. Not paying attention, close enough attention to the camera. It is what it is, and you might ask, well, why didn't I just go to the other side since this side was already done and just redo it? Well, I had done the other side first as a practice run, so that way when I was doing this side, it would go a little bit more smooth and I wouldn't have to worry and, you know, about messing up and looking like an idiot on film. And as you can tell, I look like an idiot anyway. So it is what it is. Lesson learned. We'll move on from this one and do better in the future. So let this be a lesson to everybody who is attempting to do YouTube. Gotta pay attention. So it is what it is. Lesson learned, and we'll move on. Alright, so the only thing that I can really do is show you the finished product. Like I said, I had already done the other side. So this is what it looks like out in the sun. I think it turned out pretty good. You can see it wrapped around and the heat shrink wrapped right around the corner, and it looks really good, nice and tight. It didn't wrinkle or tear or nothing. The only thing you do have to be careful on is when you do this, when you use that heat gun, if you do it for too long, it will really shrink and it will tear the window film. So that is the one thing that you have to be careful on. Other than that, it's not that bad. It's not that difficult. But give you the side profile of the car with them both. Not a huge difference, but it does make it a little bit more unique from everybody else that's out there. And it don't take that long. It's not expensive. and you know, for something like this, be done in an hour. So all right, if you guys like what you see over here in the corner, there should be a 392 emblem. If you could give that a click, it'll give you a subscribe. I would greatly appreciate it. If you want to check out some other videos, I should have links to 2 other videos over here. I would really appreciate it, and until next time, you guys have a great day.